Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So, my expectations and strategy. From a technical standpoint, there are no immediate factors to support a continued bullish move. Potential short target. Conversely, there is a key low that is a likely target for a downward move. This is a structural point from which the prior uptrend was initiated. A firm candle body close below this level would signal a high probability of a move towards $113,000 and subsequently to $110,000. It is plausible that September will conclude within a consolidative range, possibly testing the low, but without major bearish impulses. My personal strategy for entering a short position is as follows. I will wait for a confirmed break of structure below the key low. Following this, I will look for a retracement to a new FVG that will likely form during the down move. An entry on the test of this FVG with a stop loss placed above the preceding high would be a viable setup. A confirmed close below the key lows is a necessary precondition for this trade. The sweep of this key low is, in my opinion, merely a matter of time. I anticipate Bitcoin's price to be in the $113,500 to $115,000 range by the end of September.